are the student check-in forms. So when you open them up and you make a copy of the form for each student, it will open up under this questions tab. And here's where you see the questions, and you can edit any of this that you want. If you want to change the wording, if you want to change the pictures, you can do all that here. If you want to leave it as is and you want the student to complete it, you're going to click on the send, click on the link, and copy this link. You'll open it up or send that link to your student, and here's where they can check in. You can use this for morning check-in or maybe prior to an activity that the student might be struggling in, so you can see how it's going. So for this example, let's say the student's going to be doing some paper and pencil work. You want to know how they're feeling right now. Maybe they're confused about the assignment, but they are prepared. And if they have any questions, they can type them right here in the box and hit submit. Now, this information, I had already submitted some previously. When you go back to your original form, you'll see them under the responses tab. And twice they've done some paper and pencil work, how they were feeling here, and whether they were prepared for the activity. And in addition, you can make a spreadsheet of this if you want. So then when they're checking out, when you open up this form, here it is under the questions tab, where you can edit any of this information if you want to change the wording or the questions. And then you would send this to your student the same way. Send, click on the link, copy the link, and that's opened here ready for us. So if none of these questions are required, but maybe the student's going to type in what activity or assignment they just completed, how they're feeling now after completing it, whether they completed the activity or not, how they think they did at it, 5-star work, okay work, maybe they didn't attempt the activity at all, and then list something that they want to improve and something that they did great, and then hit submit. And again, this work will be recorded for you, and you can come over here to the responses tab and you would see how they felt that they did. I had written something in here prior. So that's how you use the check-in and the checkout forms for students. Again, you can do this in the morning, or you could do this pre and post activity time, or really any intervention that you are using.